guys, I just got the new sm7b from Amazon. The OG mic everybody talk about. So let's see what's inside. You get this right off and wow. Just look at this thing, bro. So I might just have to take this off and came with stickers and manuals and this usually silver and the holes, the O. Okay. Okay, then the OG mic yourself. Oh my god, let me show you. The sm7b. This has a little weight. I'm sure it. I never imagined. The OG mic. Okay, this is what it is like. This is it. And pretty much interesting. So I'm gonna have to take this off. Ooh. It also comes with an external cage, and this is exactly how it works. The wall fix. Okay. Pretty much. Then pretty much everything. Thanks for this to